Hey guys, today I'm going to show you an automated investing system called Wealthsimple. And basically, what it does is Wealthsimple will invest your money for you. It's actually a company of people that does it for you, and they've had really good success over the years. So now I've just signed up. I just signed up as of like 2 days ago, and I've already started making a little bit of money. I just put in a little bit to start. I'm making a recurring investment every single week so that I'll constantly grow and grow that investment. And so far, I'm happy with what I've seen. The customer service has been great, and they will actually give you $10,000 managed for completely free. All you have to do is sign up with the link below, and I'll put the link in the description below, and all you have to do is sign up through that, and you can get $10,000 managed for free on Wealthsimple. So highly recommend it. I signed up through someone else's referral link, so I've got the 10,000, and then I did a couple other things that they wanted. You had to get the app that would give you more free money to be managed. So basically, if I can get my money managed for free and they're going to invest it for me, I'm going to invest whatever they're going to manage for free. So I'm going to be putting more money into this. This was just my starting investment, and then I'm going to constantly be adding more and more to it. So I will keep you guys updated with how I'm doing on it, but I want to get you guys started as well. So if you are interested in Wealthsimple, make sure you click on that link in the description below and get $10,000 managed for free. Why not? It's going to be managed for free, so you can't complain there, and the fees are typically a lot lower with Wealthsimple than they are with your typical bank or anything like that. So I highly recommend it, and we will hop right into my account so I can show you where I'm at. And like literally, I just invested the first $2,000 or whatever it is as of 2 days ago, and then they've actually just started investing it as of today. So I'll show you where it's invested. I invested in growth, so it's supposed to be long-term growth, so it's a little riskier, more ups and downs, but that's okay because I plan on keeping it in there for quite some time. So I'm looking forward to growing this investment, and I hope that you guys are going to sign up as well, because it's definitely a good way to get started with investing, especially if you aren't sure if you want to do the stock market or mutual funds. This tends to be lower fees than mutual funds are with your typical average bank. And I've noticed with my mutual funds over the last year, they've went down quite a bit, and they've just started to pick up this year. But I'm looking forward to how I can compare the two between Wealthsimple and between the mutual funds that I have through my bank, and see how they perform, and kind of give you guys some constant updates on how it's doing. And if you do sign up through my link, then if you get 3 people to sign up below you, then you'll get a free $500. So another big incentive to sign up for them is you can get free money just literally for signing up and then referring your friends. And if you get 3 to sign up, then you get $500. So definitely a good platform to get started with if you're looking to get started with investing, or if you are looking to grow your current investment, or if you're looking to just diversify more and get into some different investments. So they are a great platform, and I believe they offer free stock trading too. Like I said, I just signed up, so I haven't looked into everything yet, but as far as I know, they're either in the process of getting everything set up for the free stock trades, or they already offer that. So we'll have to look into that, but we will hop into my computer now, and I will show you where my investment's at and what I'm invested in terms of the growth fund that I invested with. So let's hop into the laptop now. All right, so this is what the Wealthsimple main page looks like when you just sign in, at least from Canada. The great thing with Wealthsimple that I didn't mention earlier was the fact that they offer it for Canada, the United States, and the UK. So if you're in any of these 3 countries, or if you have bank accounts in any of these 3 countries, then you would be eligible to sign up on Wealthsimple. So I highly recommend it for any people living in any of these countries. So let's get right into it. So Wealthsimple is investing on autopilot. So it's like they say, the simple way to grow your money like the world's most sophisticated investors. So basically you're really diversifying your investment, and that's a nice thing with diversifying is you're not just, if you're just in one stock, for example, and that stock goes down significantly, then you're going to lose a bunch of money. Whereas if some of the stocks that you are diversified in go down, well, that's fine, because maybe other stocks went up and you're still going to end up being at least a lot better off when you're diversified than you are if you're just investing in one or two stocks. So they have powerful technology and human advice, zero maintenance portfolios, custom built in minutes. So basically, you just tell them your risk factor. So whether or not you want to take the money out right away, or if you plan on keeping it in longer, and if you're willing to make more of a risk, or if you're not willing to take a risk and you want to keep in a very conservative fund. Smarter portfolios diversified across the entire market, save money with low fee ETFs and low management fees. So yeah, they have super low ETFs and low management fees, which makes them a lot better to invest with than your average bank. Let's see what else they have to say. So this is just something where you can kind of see where you're gonna end up with. So this is just to see how fast your money can grow. So say you invested $10,000 to start with, 10,500, and you invest something realistic, let's say 225. So by the end of the year, you could be at $17,000, and this is based on 5.5% per year. And this is also not taken into account that if you have the free management fees by signing up through my link, then you're actually going to be making more than this. So this is not obviously guaranteed, but this is definitely shows that you can make more money with Wealthsimple than traditional investing or traditional savings. And like I said, I have mine in growth, but they have different risk levels. So they have conservative, then they have balanced, and then they have growth. And as you can see, growth is going to make you the most, but you also have the biggest risk that you could go down as well. And so they have high interest savings accounts. They have $0 commission stock trading. So that's what I was talking about earlier. I believed they had it, but yes, they do have it now. I know when I was first looking at Wealthsimple originally, they hadn't come out with this yet. They were planning on it, but it hadn't come out yet. So it has come out now. So if you're into stock investing, this is definitely a good platform for that because there's no commission on stock trading. And I know I bank through TD and they charge, I believe, $10 per trade. So if you're doing low trades, if you're just doing like $1,000 trade or something, then that really does add up. And so there's already 100,000 people using Wealthsimple, which is pretty crazy. And they already have $3 billion in assets under their management. So definitely something that's a trusted company and very well known already. They have different benefits based on how much you invest. So I'm in this basic category right now, which is going to be a 0.5% fee. But like I said, if you have that $10,000 that gets managed for free in the first year, then you won't have to pay that fee on that $10,000. And they offer 2% interest on their savings account. And then you get personalized portfolio, expert financial advice, auto rebalancing, auto deposits, and dividend reinvesting, which is a huge thing. My mutual fund does it as well. Basically, if I ever get any dividends, then it just automatically gets reinvested into more. And I really like the reinvestment of dividends rather than taking it out each time, because the more you invest your dividends, the faster your fund is going to grow. And over a long term, you're going to definitely make a lot more money that way by reinvesting your dividends. So then if you deposit 100,000 or more, then you get a lower fee, and then 500,000 or more, you get all these benefits. But I'm thinking majority of people are probably going to be in the same category that I am. It's just the basic category. We keep your money safe, so they're very trusted, and you can get started within 5 minutes. That's the nice thing. The sign up process is super easy, and you can get signed up really quick. You just sign in and in order to deposit funds into your account, you just sign into your bank through online banking, and they take it right out of your bank account. So really easy way to get started, and yeah, I've been very happy with how user-friendly it is. And that takes us to the bottom. So now let's go into my account. So basically what I'm doing, I've created a TFSA account. So in Canada, we have tax-free savings account, and I think I can invest like 60,000 in a year in tax-free savings account and not be taxed on it. It's something that goes up each year in Canada. But yeah, as of right now, I think it's around 60,000. So basically how I set it up, I did a $2,000 initial investment, and then I've set up weekly deposits of $200. Now I'm going to put in more money into this. This was just my first deposit, but I'm going to be adding a bunch more into this. But I just wanted to kind of show you guys how it works. And as you can see, I've made 41 cents so far. Obviously not very much, but it was just invested as of today. So it's obviously going to either go up or down a lot more than that. But it's just a very small amount that I invested in to start. But I'm going to be putting more and more into this as time goes on. And so I just want to show you, so this is based on me continuously investing the $200 per week. So these numbers are based on if I invested that $200 per week every week for the next however many years. So as we can see today, 2,200. And then next year, it'd be up to 12,000. And then we just can gradually see really how fast it incrementally grows. And by age 65, retirement age here in Canada, 1.3 million that this investment will have likely got to. And if you're wondering how this is calculated, this is based on a return of 5.1 to 5.45 on stocks and 0.74 to 1.05 on bonds after the 0.5% fees. But right now, obviously, I'm not paying any fees because I signed up under someone else. So I got that referral code and I got the $10,000 to be managed for free. So as we can see, we can go over to rewards. And this is where I got the referral code and this is where I entered it. So I get $11,200 managed for free. So I signed up through a referral link, got 10,000, and then I turn on auto deposits. Like I said, I'm depositing every week. That got me another 1,000, and then I made my account more secure. That was to two-factor authentication it. So basically, I get a text message every time it signs in. Just makes it a lot more safe, especially when you're dealing with money in an account. And then I got the mobile app, so that gave me another 100. So right now, I'm getting $11,200 managed for free in the first year. And then every person that signs up under me, I get another 10,000. And for you, if you sign up under me, then you get 10,000 managed for free for your first 12 months. So all you have to do once you sign in, you either click that link and sign up, or you can enter my referral code, which I'll put in the description. It's TP7EHQ. And basically you just enter that here and press redeem, and then you'll get that $10,000 managed for free. So definitely a good way to get invested. And like I said, if they have their winter referral bonus, so if you sign up and then you get 3 or more friends to sign up and deposit at least $250, which really isn't that tough, by April 12th, then you'll get a free $500. So why not, guys? Give it a try. So these are the investments that I currently have within Wealthsimple. So as we can see, the market value of each of these. So Canadian stocks, 22.5% of my investment, US stocks 20.1%, foreign stocks 15.1%, and more US stocks 12.5%, company bonds 12.5%, emerging market stocks 10.1%, government bonds 7.5%, and then somehow I got a negative in cash. But anyways, that's just where I'm diversified, and as you can see, there's quite a bit of diversification there, so it's nice to be this diversified, and I'm looking forward to investing more money into this fund and seeing how it grows and sharing that with you guys. Like I said, I just started, but as of so far, I'm very happy with the platform, and I will give you guys updates on how everything's going and whether or not my investment's going up or down, because I just want to be as transparent as possible with you guys and show you guys everything that I'm doing so that you can achieve financial freedom and financial success like I have. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching.